Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn on how to add or create a gallery view into our Notion page. So right here I already have my own Notion page ready up with a title. There's nothing else under it, and in order for us to add this gallery view into our Notion page is by using a third-party API that's called Indify. So we're going to go on ahead there. So in order to go to Indify, you're just going to need to type indify.co and enter it into the address. If you haven't used Indify before, then you're going to need to create a new account and then log in with a free plan. Most of the features are free, including the one that we're about to be using right now. And after you logged in, you're going to need to scroll down a bit until you see volume 2. You're going to look on the right side and you will see there's an option for image gallery. So you're going to hover on that and press create widget. You're gonna need to name your image gallery. So we're gonna name this one just simple gallery view. So then we're gonna press continue. Just now we've logged in into the next page. Here we'll see there are two different views. On the left we'll see there are the sidebar. This sidebar is where you have the settings that you can adjust in order to change some features or appearance of the gallery view, and on the right is the preview section of your gallery view. So any changes that you make will show up on the right side right here. So right now, first we're going to do is just upload the images into our gallery. And there we go, that's my first image. So now let's upload another one. And by the way, when you upload an image, if you're uploading multiple images, you can't select all 4 of those images and upload it all at once. You need to upload them one by one like this. If you want to upload more than 3 images, then you're going to need to subscribe into one of the subscriptions or upgrade to Pro. So I'm just going to stick to 3 of these images. So right here we have our image view ready with the images of the cute little foxes. And now we're going to scroll down. Let's make some changes of the sizing. Let's select wrapped around image. Okay, that's not bad. How about cover? Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, this one looks much nicer. Look at that. So there's no like empty bar or like a dark border shows on the back here. Now it looks much more fitting. Okay, now let's scroll down. Let's change the scroll speed. Let's pick very fast. So now when you press right there, see that? See how fast it changed the image? Very fast. So I'm going to stick with this. This also will show, again, select to show dots. So now the dots basically represents what image on which slide right here. So I'm going to disable that. So now dots now disappear. So now we just need to click the arrows now to change or slide the images. I'm going to change the color. Let's pick orange. Since it's a orange fox, we're going to pick orange background. Okay. So this one is only for the slide background. So only this orange background only shows up on the back of the image. So if in order to see that, let's change that to contain. See that? That's the orange sidebar. For now, I'm just going to stay with cover image sizing, because it looks much more fitting. Text color, since there are no text, I'm not gonna select any text color. Arrow, let's change the arrow color instead. I'm gonna pick orange on this one as well. Same goes with dark mode. You can also change the color of the dots, but right now we don't have any dots enabled, so we're just gonna leave it as it is. And that is all. After you're done with the adjustments, all you need to do is just press this clipboard button right here. We're gonna click that, and it's gonna copy the link here. So then you're gonna need to go back into your Notion page and then type in /embed, and then we're gonna click this one and then paste the link that we just copied from Indify, and then click embed link. And here is gonna show us our gallery view and display it inside our Notion. So here it is, our gallery view of cute little foxes. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please drop a like and leave a comment if you have any more questions. For now, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.